Hi friends, it's Heather. I recently went to Labo and I thought it'd be fun if we go ahead and unbox it together. I made a little short about my trip there. You can go ahead and check it out right here. It was a good time. I got to smell all of the scents that they have to offer, even the city exclusives. I'll be making a tier list soon, so keep an eye out for that. But the whole reason why we even went there is because I needed a new signature scent. My old signature scent used to be You by Glossier. This perfume has been with me for so long. I'm gonna show you guys. This is not all of them, but just on my table side alone, I have 5 bottles of them. This is half. I have another 5 back there. This is just on my bedside table. I'm obsessed, okay? I loved her. Past tense. I loved her so much. I even have these guys of her. These are the hard, solid perfumes. This scent has gotten me so many compliments. I even recalled the first time I met her. It was at the Glossier actually in New York. And let me tell you, it's a cool store, okay? And it just was giving clean girl, very much caught my eye. I go in there and I see this perfume bottle. I'm like, sure, I'm a perfume girly, let's give it a smell. And she took my breath away. Like, I've never smelled something so perfect, just perfect. Everything I'm looking for and more in a little bottle. It was almost undescribable. It's pink, it's musky, it's feminine, but not too sweet, you know? It's just endearing. I would wear it every single freaking day. 5 total sprays, and it would literally last me the whole day. I would smell it on all my clothes. I would smell it on all my linens. It was just amazing. It was everything and more. It would leave a trail for people, for them to know where I have been, because the smell was just so captivating. But they decided to change the formulation or whatever. Probably a shrinkflation situation where they took out an ingredient or changed the ingredient so it could be a little bit cheaper to process and make. And now it just isn't the same. There's no more compliments, and I think it's because no one can smell me anymore. I thought I was just becoming nose blind, but I think it just is like, it's giving cheap perfume. Like, it doesn't radiate a smell anymore. It literally goes away right after you spray it. I think this is my newest one, and I guess the bottles look the same, but she doesn't even smell the same. She smells like a weaker version of what she used to be. Kind of the ghost of You by Glossier. Rest in peace. I have to move on. So for over a year now, I've been on the hunt for a new signature smell, one that does the same thing that the old You used to do. I want it to radiate and take up a whole room. Like, once you walk in or leave a room, somebody knows you're there because of the smell. And I feel like I have found it at Labo. I think this is as close as I can get to her. This is the X. She will be loved. She has a special place in my heart, and I will never forget her. I will keep all of her still in my bedside, in my drawer back there. She'll still be a memory for me, and I will still keep her close and near. But I miss the compliments, okay? I miss people being like, girl, you smell so good, what is that? I want that experience again. I feel like she spoiled me, and I need it, okay? I need that validation. So introducing the new scent in town. Another 13. I know, it's basic. Everybody and their mom has another 13, but it's good, okay? Everybody and their mom knows what's up. This is the first time I've ever unboxed this perfume, by the way. I got it actually in store, but yeah, it's for Happy Pookie. It's kind of cool that you can personalize it. They have this little card, just a generic card, the care card, I think. Somewhere I read that you had to wait 2 weeks for the formulation to settle, I guess, or ferment. I actually don't know anything about the science behind fragrances. I only waited a week, okay? A week is a lot already, and I've kept it in a dark, cool place away from sunlight, any sort of light, except for right now. The box is black, and so I feel like it's been kept in a nice and dark. Let's not drop it. That's kind of cute. It has its own little bed. Packaging, sorry, it's whatever. This is the real treasure right here. That's a slick bottle. Is it a bottle I haven't seen before? No, it looks and is actually the same size. Hey, I have a type, okay? And this is my type. But the 50 milliliter, at least from them, is literally the same size. I don't know if this is on all of them or if mine got fucked up, but there's like a little indentation right here. What is that for? I feel like it can't be fucked up. It looks purposeful. I don't know what it's for. Interesting that it says my guy's name too, and Christian. Thank you, sir. But yeah, she's pretty. I like. Let's give her a smell. I don't think it has to ferment. This smells so good. Let's do it. Oh. Okay. I do think it has to ferment. I'm not gonna lie. It's very alcohol forward, and I think it's because it's still semi-fresh. It's only been a week. It was very alcohol forward when I sprayed it, but now that it's settled a little bit, yo, it's so good. I freaking love this smell, and honestly, I haven't felt this way since you, so this is a good change for me. Okay, we're on to the new, and I'm kind of ready for this new chapter. Okay, and we're gonna go into it with another 13. TikTok is right. I don't care if I'm getting influenced. So good. She smells so good. How would I describe it? It has this compound ambroxan, which is like, let me show you what ambroxan is. It's a synthetic version of ambergris. Ambergris? I think I'm saying it right. Ambergris is a rare substance derived from sperm whales. Yes. So this contains ambroxan, which is a synthetic musk pretty much. That works, I guess. It smells so fucking good, okay? I guess I like the smell of whale, what do you call it? Welcome. Welcome. It's like addictive, okay? And I think that's exactly what I'm looking for. Something I looked up said that it smells kind of like old magazines, which I don't get at all. It's like almost a powdery, warm musk. I would say it's a pretty unisex smell. It's supposed to be like a skin scent, which is why I was like, okay, it's kind of comparable to you. It does go harder on the top note. Is that what it is? A front note? Whatever the smell is when you first spray it, it's much more stronger than after it dies down. But I think after it dies down, that is when it starts to blend or whatever with your natural scent. And I think it's cool that this kind of smells differently on everybody. Let's see though if my peers and friends can smell it on me, and that will be the true test, is if it radiates, if it charms other people, and if I receive compliments again. That is what we're looking for. But anyways, that is it for the unboxing. I hope you guys had fun, or at least enjoyed the story time about my perfume crisis. But yeah, I will be using my new perfume every day. Hopefully we don't have to do another perfume unboxing because this one will work out. Bye.